never know unless it's special someone close as Ghost, the one that taught you everything you know. You had to let him go, and now we recollect on time we should've spent unspoken words. The time you wasted fighting for petty shit that we've been observed. I make a bleak vision, reality that's a mother word. True to every leader, I conquer out with a single verse. I put it in perspective, no asking questions, no second guessing. How I made it, learn from the lessons my father never gave me. Since a baby born in the 80s, a nigga life been crazy. Growing up and being mistreated, knowing my father hate me. Now I'm getting noticed by people who never noticed me, and wish that I could share it with niggas I thought was close to me. We supposed to be men, I see they cut you from a different cloth. Back then, Mo, you was a bitch, and nowadays you hella soft. I see a lot of nothing's changed, you just a couple feet tall. See, I'm the type to demand the respect until my number's called. That pressure that you pitching, it probably bust a pipe. My body built like boilers, expanded and contract. You wear your heart up on your sleeve, I keep my shit intact. I'm never chasing money, I learn to fall back. I noticed what I never had and chose to face the fact of being in a circle only make us in a violent hat. Intentionals and flagrants, cause many motivated to get you where they wanna drag, and then they try to slay you. AK sprayed you, grab you by the ankles, and put you in a burrow full of shit that would negate you. Cause everybody thought you was the one that called a shot, till they put you under pressure, and that flame you thought was hot had a lot of BTUs. You not familiar with the block, so why the fuck you put yourself in situations from the start, thinking that you either big or you faking like you pop? But all eyes been on niggas ready to die when they get popped.